Good morning, Junior 1. How are you? Our lesson today is continuing talking about design process. Okay? The meaning of design, make a model. Okay, yesterday in our class we make a model of bus, right? But we need to what? Need to know how we can make a model. Okay, so step number 1 is idea. Idea, what's the meaning of idea? Idea is a thinking in my mind. Thinking in my mind, I can think of what. This is called idea. Called what? Idea. Okay. Number 2, materials. Materials is anything that I can use to build this model. Called what? Called materials. Okay, materials is things that I can use to build a model. Number 3, plan. Write my ideas in a paper. Okay. The last one is build this model or make this model. Okay, so design process is number 1, idea. Number 2, materials. Number 3, plan. Number 4, build. Idea, materials, plan, build. Okay, this is plan, not plain. Plan. Okay. We write yesterday the idea and the materials that we use it, and we draw the plan. Now we complete this sentence about our model. Okay, so write the date 24-12. We chose to build a model of what? Yes, a model of bus. This model is very small, like a real bus and a model of bus. What is the difference between real bus and the model of bus? Look at this picture. This is a real bus. I can ride this bus, but this is a model of bus. Okay, so real bus, I can ride it, and the model of bus is what? Very small, I can play with it. Okay, materials plan. We use material. We use what? We use carton paper, right? We use carton paper, right? Carton paper. We use what again? We use clay. We use clay and plastic file. We use glue. Right? Yes, we use carton paper, we use clay, we use plastic file and glue. Right? To build our model. Okay? We use what to cut the carton paper? We use scissors, right? Okay, we use scissors to cut the paper. This is called scissors. Okay, we cut the paper with these scissors. Okay, so we use carton paper, use clay, plastic foil, glue and scissors. Rule: what should you do when you use our form of transportation? If you ride a bus, you need to do what to be safe? You need to do what? Yes, sit in your seat and don't move, right? So we must sit in our seat. Sit in my seat, in my chair, okay? And don't move or jump. Don't move or jump. Okay, one positive thing that went well was one positive يعني one good thing in our model. Our model is very bad or very good, very beautiful. Yes, our model is very beautiful, right? So my model is very beautiful. One thing we would like to change, we can change carton paper with what? Can change carton paper with wood, right? Or with metal. But with wood is safe, yes, but metal is dangerous because it is hard, right? So we can change our model with what? With wood. Right, change carton paper with wood. Okay, change carton paper with wood. Okay, so we can change carton paper with wood. Turn the page and write the date. This picture is a model of us in our class, and this picture is a model of our class next to our class. Okay, junior 1C. This is a model of junior 1D, and this is a model of junior 1C. What form of transportation did the model represent in form of transportation of junior 1C? You see what here? You see taxi car, right? So write taxi car. So our friend in class 1C built a model of taxi car. How was the group model? Is the same as your model. Your model and your model and their model. We use carton paper, right? They use carton paper, yes. So this is a similar to us. This model is the same to this model in what? In carton paper, right? So the group model is the same in what? Using carton paper. Using what? Carton paper. Using carton paper. They use glue. Yes, using glue. And use what again? Use colors or crayons. So they use carton paper and we use carton paper. They use glue and we use glue. They use crayons and we use crayons. So the model of junior 1C and the model of junior 1D is similar. Okay? Similar in what? Using these materials. Okay? Okay, open your booklet, page 27. Okay, movement of non-living things. Non-living things can move? No, non-living things can't move by its own, but we can move it by push or pull. Push or pull, okay? Like what? like bounce, like this movement of this ball, go to the ground and return back. Bounce means return back. Okay, this ball return back. Number 2, the movement number 2 is roll. Okay, moving roll like the rolling of this paper. Okay, this paper moved by roll. The third movement is what? Spin. Okay, this ball can spin or moved by spin. This spinner can spin, right? So this movement is called spin. This movement is called what? Spin. But this movement is called roll. Okay, so if the non-living things do this movement, this is called what? Spin. Doing this movement, this is called roll. Okay, the last one is a slide. The thing is like these boys can slide on this slide. Okay, move from one place to another without roll or spin. Okay, so we have 4 movement. Number 1, bounce. Number 2, roll. Number 3, spin. Number 4, slide. Okay, write the following words below each picture. This tissue paper can roll or bounce or slide or spin. Yes, can roll or moved by roll. This spinner can spin. Yes, spin or moved by spin. This ball bounce. Return back. Yes, return back. This boy can slide. And this spinner spin. This ball can roll. Okay, again roll doing this movement and spin doing this movement. Okay, thank you, Junior 1.